वेलकम टू प्रिंस शोल्डर हाउस। फिटमैन एंड न्यू एरा बेसिक कोर्स से हम डिक्टेट कर रहे हैं 40 वर्ड्स ए मिनट। एक्सरसाइज नंबर 58 से स्टार्ट करेंगे और वही 7-8 मिनट्स डिक्टेट करेंगे। और फुल स्टॉप और कोमे में हल्का पोज होगा, कोमे में कम, फुल स्टॉप में थोड़ा ज़्यादा। ज्वाइनिंग इकट्ठी बोली जाएंगी। आप बड़े ध्यान से लिखिए ताकि अभी से आपका बेस बनता रहे और फुल स्टॉप और क्वेश्चन मार्क और कोमे का इंडिकेशन आपको समझ में आने लगे। तो हम स्टार्ट करते हैं एक्सरसाइज नंबर 58। बी रेडी, स्टार्ट। आई शैल अराइव at 10 a.m. on Tuesday 12th January unless I have to make a change. I will wire you if the time is changed. As far as I am aware, the goods were dispatched at last a week ago. I will look into this and give you the exact date they were sent. Ellen and Royal have built up a nice business for themselves in Nelson. The success of the business is due entirely to the way in which they have worked. A few years ago, they were quite poor, but now both of them are worth a large sum of money. What is the reason for the higher insurance rates which were put into effect last week? The rise was quite unexpected. This state of affairs exhausted for a long time, despite the fact that we were not satisfied with it. We were amused at many things he said, but he was certainly worth listening to. He said, "You may die young because of worry, but certainly work never caused the death of anybody." Thank you for your note in which you stated that you were desirous of having a agency for the sale of our textiles in your city. We have never give any firm the sole right to sell our goods, and this policy does not allow us to give you the sale agency. We should be happy to have you retail our goods, and we hope you will do so at the usual dealers rates. Next, exercise number 59. When may we accept the 24 barrels of lime which were to be shipped the first week in February? Unless we receive the lime this week, we shall have to cease work on the new road at Connaught Place. We thought we could rely on having the lime last week without fail, and your failure to get it to us as most unfortunate. We hope that the barrels are on the way and that you can wires that we may accept them tomorrow. Next, exercise number 60. I wish to thank you for the catalog which you were good enough to post to me recently. Several books listed on page 21 appear to be just what I am looking for. I have marked them on the attached sheet. Although I think that these books listed on page 21 appear to be just what I am looking for. I have marked them on the attached sheet. Although I think that these books should be useful to me in my work, I should like to inspect them to see if they would be satisfactory. May any of the books be sent back to you if, when I have looked at them, I decide that they would not be satisfactory for my purpose. Stop.